Hello everyone, and welcome to another video. Today I'm here again with my brother, Golden, because he wanted to do another video. Didn't you?
Yes.
And we're gonna be continuing to play Warrior Cat's Untold
And
Tales.
it's my sister, Silver.
Yeah. And last time we were on the quest for the shiny thing, which we're kind of failing at, but yeah. Should we talk to the guards?
Yeah.
Talk to the guards? Which one?
The pink one.
The pink one.
First.
His name is Dragon Soul. Hey Thunderstorm, the territory is pretty calm today. I haven't seen any unexpected visitors. Hey, it's Musclaw. You can't talk to Musclaw. He doesn't have any. So where do you think we can find the shiny things?
Maybe in. Oh, I saw a hole in the tree. In the hole in the tree. Yeah, that one. Maybe in there.
It said on the clue that it's dropped near the Thunder Path, which is the road. It's like a path right here. Okay, so maybe follow the path. And this doesn't look like a great area. Let's go. The Thunder Path continues up this way. Maybe there'll be. Was that just like a battle? Ah! Just keep going, just keep going. Press Control while near this sign to travel to the Mother Mouth. So we can go to like the Moonstone. Ah, battle. Oops, what? This is the Moonstone. Do we sleep? How do we do? StarClan rewards you with fresh kill. Hey, we got fresh kill. We got 3 dead rabbits. It's getting dark.
Why can we only go in there?
How about over here? This isn't our territory. But there's a frog or a toad. What do you think this is, Jeff? Is it like a frog? Yeah, it's a dead frog. Carcass of a frog, expertly killed through hunting. You may eat this item for a reputation penalty or bring it back to your clan for added reputation. Should we eat it or should we bring it back to the clan?
Just bring it back to clan.
I'm not fighting off those guys. They look angry.
Stop.
Okay. It's just somebody. Okay, so we gotta drop this on. What is this? No. Ah. I'm gonna drop these rabbits.
Let's have some rabbits for dinner.
Dinner and sleep. It's the morning. We can talk. Breeze Whisker. Do you want to talk to Breeze Whisker?
Yeah.
Breeze Whisker says, "Oh, hey." Press underlay. Press backspace to give an item from your inventory. So we can give her stuff. Okay, so we should find some stuff to give her. I guess. And we should talk to Birch Nose. Hi. ... Hi. Boat Whisker says, "How's it going?" And Tanglefur says hello. This guy is called Deputy Preyheart.
Yeah, that one.
Deputy Preyheart. The Sunning Rocks have always been a disputed territory. between us and RiverClan. Since they used to be an island, and the river was larger, RiverClan says that they should be theirs. However, now since they are part of the shore, they are rightfully ours. RiverClan sent a cats out to secure the Sunning Rocks and claim them for their own clan. This will not be tolerated. A patrol of warriors is on their way to Sunning Rocks now. If you join them in the battle, you will be rewarded with reputation. Should we go fight in the battle?
Yeah.
Let's talk to the frost workers. Hello and welcome. This glorious
I want to
banquet
go to Buffalo. I
that
don't
you
want them.
that you see before you is ThunderClan's fresh kill pile. You may purchase food from me. Also, at any time, if you lay down a dead creature on the pile, I will take it and will reward you with 2 reputation. You should buy some food because we're
What
hungry.
about? Can we do this one?
Skystar?
Yeah.
Okay, but then we have to go to the battle. Hello there, I am Skystar, leader of ThunderClan. I also am your direct route to the bonus shop. If you'd like to visit the bonus shop, feel free. Oh, also I handle matters of saving your progress. We saved our game, yay. Now we can go to Sunning Rocks and battle them. Wonder where Sunning Rocks is. There's a map right here. So this is ThunderClan Cat, this is the owl tree. This is ThunderClan Camp, this is the owl tree. And so that means we're right there, right now.
Why is there different trees and only one tree? There's a fight!
There's a fight. We don't have very high health right now.
When was our fight?
Fight's done here. Hopefully we don't die.
Fight's done here.
Oh no!
That's the
Eek!
fight.
We're the only one! We're gonna die! I don't think we're fighting that today because we're almost dead. Oh no. And almost being dead seems like there might be a problem there.
Let's go to the rock that we go in the forest, so we'll stay.
Cloudleaf is the medicine cat, so maybe she can like heal us. Heal us, please. Welcome, I'm the medicine cat. I'll sell you some herbs for 5 reputation. They'll heal 20% of your health. So, are you interested? Or perhaps you'd like to go see my apprentice Snowheart. Needs anything. She can get so frustrated at times. 5 reputation. Okay, fine. We're almost dead, so we may as well. And, Snowheart, hi. Some warriors just returned from the fight, and I'm in short supply of comfrey plants, which are applied to scratches to help stop the pain. Perhaps you could go collect a comfrey plant for me? I've heard it grows well near the gorge, west of here. I have goldenrod. Do you need that? It's night now, so we get to sleep again. And what if we get?
Where's the golden one?
It's this one right here.
No, the golden cat.
The golden cat?
Yeah.
I don't know.
Oh, there it is.
Yeah, that's the golden cat, I guess. Should we give the goldenrod to Breeze Whisker?
No, I want to give the golden one to this cat.
The trainer Maple Stripe?
Yeah.
I don't think we can.
Why?
I don't know.
Because it's all like that?
Yeah. We can't give it to Tanglefur. We can give it to Birch Nose, and we
I
can
want to do it to Birch Nose.
Okay. We give it to Birch Nose. There, we give it to Birch Nose.
Why is there so many things there over here killing birds?
Because cats hunt. We should probably try hunting. We talked to the guards today.
Yep, but I want to talk to this one this time.
The Rose Heart?
Yeah.
Okay. Hello, Thunderstorm. I'm happy to report that there's no suspicious activity going on today. That's nice. We're really thirsty. And our health just dropped. Should probably drink. something. Is that an apple?
Yes. Let's eat it.
We can't eat it.
Why?
I don't know.
We already ate it.
We need some water though.
And to do with what?
Oh, here's some water. We have to drink it because we're really thirsty. Ah! They're gone.
Drink from the waterfall, okay?
Okay.
There's lots of water there. Isn't there?
Oh jeez.
There's lots of.
I think we're in RiverClan territory.
Why?
Um.
Where's the thunder path? Then where's the thunder path?
It's up there. Right, Thunderpet, the shiny thing. Gotta do that. Oh
But
no. No, no, no.
why is just a water?
Should go this
Is the
way.
thunder thing under giant rock?
I don't know.
When are we going to find the thing?
I don't.
Are you going to die? Is this cat going to die?
Is that gonna die if we take care of him?
Ah!
Hey, I saw Ashfur. It's Ashfur!
Why?
Ashfur is like an actual warrior cat.
But is he part of your clan that we're on the cat?
Yep. Another apple. And goldenrod. I don't want that though. Goldenrod doesn't do anything for me. Any near snake rocks? Snake rocks this is, right? On the map it said that.
Hey, let's go in there.
On the map it said that.
Go in
Right?
the tunnel. Go in the
Yeah,
tunnel.
snake rocks. This is snake rocks.
We have
Are
to
there
go into
snake?
the
We might get bitten by snakes here.
Just go inside. Go inside.
We can't go inside.
Why?
Because remember we tried last time? I got a mouse!
How did we try to go in last time without us?
It's snakes! Are they gonna bite us?
No.
It bit me! It bit me!
What happened?
See, my health went down. My Thunderstorm's health went down when I went on the snake. I spit onto it.
Are you a ghost?
No, that's like the stalking thing. More apple!
On the apple.
We're dying. We need more health. We give the apples to somebody. We need to get that shiny thing. It's the shiny thing!
Yeah, but it's different. It's kind of different, isn't it?
It is?
Yes.
Let's take it back to... Yeah, it's the shiny thing.
Yeah, but it's a different one than the other one. Let's find another one.
Yeah.
Is there another one?
I didn't see one.
We have finally found it.
No, we can give it to Shinefur. I think she likes shiny things because she's Shinefur. There. We got reputation, yay! Now maybe we can heal ourselves because we nearly died from like snake bite or something. And maybe we should give the mouse to... Should we give it to Birch Nose or to Breeze Whisker?
Bird nose.
It's not Bird Nose, it's Birch Nose, but okay.
Birch nose.
And what about the apples?
Oh yeah, give them
To Birch Nose? Okay.
birch nose.
Yes, Birch Nose. Alright, so we're gonna end the video now. Okay? So say bye.
Bye.
Subscribe. Like the video. Bye.